Get ready to step into a world of adrenaline, the roar of engines, the cracking sound of splintering wood, and the sight of massive trees crashing down in mere seconds. This video takes you to the edge of what's possible in the timber industry, where power and precision collide to create moments of sheer intensity. Don't blink, don't miss it. Imagine a giant sequoia so massive that it took 2 full days to bring it down. Heartbreakingly, this is the story of an ancient tree in Alder Creek Grove. Severely damaged by wildfire, it forced Tulare County to make the difficult but necessary decision to remove this natural icon. This is not just the loss of a great tree, but a stark and painful reminder of the devastating power of wildfires. You won't believe this. The Salabova Model 1820, an insane machine capable of handling 30 to 50 acres a day with minimal equipment. I still can't get over how amazing it is every time I see it in action. Seriously, you have to watch this video right now. What you're about to witness will make you rub your eyes in disbelief. Don't miss it. A colossal plow, razor-sharp and unstoppable, effortlessly tearing through the toughest tree stumps as if nothing could stand in its way. If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, I wouldn't have believed such a marvel was possible. Hundreds of stumps cleared in just 1 hour. The speed and power are beyond imagination. This is truly a spectacular feat you have to witness to believe. In the midst of dense fog, where visibility is reduced to just 2 to 3 meters, he faces a deadly turn, incredibly treacherous. With dozens of tons of timber weighing down on him, each step is a life-or-death challenge. With his vast experience and incredible decisiveness, he navigates it all with remarkable skill and composure. Have you ever witnessed a machine conquer the wilderness like a hero? That's the EOG 59D, perfectly paired with its partner, the Kesla 28RH, a duo that handles timber like master sculptors. Together, they form a dream team, enhancing efficiency and saving fuel in an impressive way. With a price range from $9,700 to $195,000, the 59D truly lives up to its title as a legendary machine in the industry. Impressive, right? Wow, I'm completely amazed by the skill of this bulldozer driver. He has insane skills and an incredible nerve of steel. The calmness he maintains in this chaotic and dangerous situation is truly supernatural. Every move he makes in those crucial moments is a heart-stopping, dramatic performance. The giant crusher with thousands of sharp teeth has the power to crush anything that is thrown into it. Let's witness the incredible strength of this machine, as it obliterates everything in its path with ease. Don't forget to share your thoughts after witnessing this amazing power. This wood splitter, with its compact size and easy installation, delivers incredible efficiency. Watch how it works. Exceptionally effective and precisely accurate in every detail, with no room for error. A small yet powerful device that will leave you amazed at its ability to handle wood perfectly. This year, the Unimog U2100 is like a Wolverine on wheels, never backing down from any challenge and ready to roar even when the odds are completely against it. This is truly the coolest truck I've ever seen. A massive log weighing tens of tons, and the small bulldozer is giving its all to lift the log onto the truck. Will it be able to accomplish this challenging task? Let's witness the power and endurance of this machine in a dramatic showdown. Felling a giant tree becomes incredibly easy with the help of this machine. Your job is simply to saw a line on the trunk, and with its incredible power, a light push is all it takes for the massive tree to fall instantly. The combination of precision and amazing strength is truly impressive. The LKT81 Turbo is a machine with incredible power, capable of working on any difficult terrain without encountering any obstacles. When you own the LKT81 Turbo, every task becomes easier and faster than ever before, as if no challenge is strong enough to stand in your way. Carrying a load of hundreds of tons and facing a steep, challenging incline, this vehicle effortlessly powers through it with 1,000 horsepower. Each climb seems unstoppable, with nothing in its way. This automatic wood splitter makes cutting logs into planks feel surprisingly effortless and easy. Watching how it operates, every movement is smooth and precise, leaving me unable to look away. Its power and efficiency are truly astounding. So what about you? What's your impression after witnessing this perfection? This vehicle was stuck here for a solid 3 hours. And if it weren't for the bulldozer passing by to pull it out, it would have been stuck there even longer. Probably longer than a lunch break. Imagine, without that rescue, the vehicle would have had more time to enjoy the mud than anything else. Whoa, a perfect machine. With its huge long arm, large wheels, and powerful engine, it effortlessly moves across any terrain, from rugged dirt roads to the most hard-to-reach areas. Lifting and unloading cargo becomes effortless and quick, leaving you in awe of its power and exceptional efficiency. Truly, a technical masterpiece worth admiring. Precise cuts, combined with incredible work skills. Watch as he fells a large tree effortlessly and expertly, as if no challenge is too difficult. I bet he has done this thousands of times, constantly honing his craft to achieve such masterful skills. Assembling this manual machine is not only quick and simple, but also incredibly convenient, providing him with valuable assistance in splitting logs. This winter will be warmer than ever when you have enough firewood to keep the stove running, turning your home into a cozy and comfortable haven. Thanks to the powerful help of 3 tractors, the vehicle was finally rescued and got to rest like someone who's been working all day long. It's as if the 3 tractors were saying, "Hey, let us handle this for you. Go take a break." This semi-automatic wood splitter is designed for easy assembly and disassembly, allowing you to work anywhere. Just watch how it operates with absolute precision and optimal efficiency. Splitting logs becomes as smooth and effortless as if he were just taking a stroll in the park. Thank you so much for taking to watch our video until the end. We hope that what you saw today brought you interesting and valuable experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on the exciting videos coming next. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue to bring fresh and engaging content. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.